celebrating, guys. I'm celebrating 112 subscribers. Yes, I am. I'm celebrating that. And with all that said, had to come down, talk right here at the ground, just to let you guys know that we came from the bottom, the dirt. I'm gonna give y'all a clip of where we came from real quickly. Alright, I'm showing y'all real quick, guys. Let me come from the soil, man. From the seed to the root to the tree to the fruit. Shout out Mr. Organic and everybody in Organic Nation. Can't forget the G Squizzle. We come from the seed, the dirt, and we grow. We grow from this, then we grow to this, and we grow to trees, man, and bigger and beyond, man. You know what I'm saying? But back at y'all, like I was saying, we coming up. We growing. Hold up, turn around, get the good sunlight in my face. What I just said is still looking really, really nice. Oh, celebrating. Hold up, can't show y'all. Got the bag covering it up. Woo, little alcohol beverage. But just got great news. I was getting a drone. Sorry, I got delayed upon that. I had it, but you know, I'd rather pay due diligence before, you know what I'm saying, having to go and buy different type of things that's, you know, profitable for myself when there's other things that has to be done. But I got great news today, just a while ago before I started vlogging just now. Got me a new G.O.B. nigga. Finna come back. Main goal right now is to come back, well, go out there and make it back, and then go back out there and make some more. I would come back and get like the SRT Challenger, but I'm not gonna do it this rip. I ain't gonna do it this time. Reason being is because, you know, I gotta get myself situated. I gotta get into my own type of home. I can't afford a house right now, but what I can afford is what I shall do. I have no children, I have no woman. I'm me, single. Dolo in the building. You know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying. Been working and shit like that. So with that being said, we winning out, and I see y'all whenever I see y'all. And just cause y'all don't see me all the time, I'm here, baby. I'm working. You see them subscribers going up? Man, tell a friend, man, go subscribe to my channel. Cause when we do get to poppin', I want y'all to be there, and I want y'all to be watching where I came from. Here, right here, the dirt, man. Growing to trees, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. We winning out, man. Bless one. Bless up. What's poppin'? Everybody in the winning squad. You know what it is. It's 2020 in the building today. In the building today. You feel me? It's a new year. We're going to new and better things. Do you understand what I'm saying? Do you comprehend what a nigga is saying? We're going to bigger and better things, man. I don't know how to say it, how to explain it, but I know this is what's going to happen. You feel me? I never post a vlog up in a minute. I just been waiting for New Year. I got setback on my drone, guys. I know I've been promising y'all that shit like November, but hey, it's all right. It'll be here in about a week. So we're gonna get that drone footage. And also, I got me a nice intro for you guys. I wrote an intro. And at this moment, I'm currently working on getting it to a complete song for you guys. Last night went to sleep, woke up, it was a new year. On to new and bigger, better challenges. You know what it is all about. Growth from the jump, from the seed to the root, to the tree, to the fruit. Let's get it. We're coming up in this world, and hope you are too. You know what I'm saying? 2020. Let's see. One of the things I'm letting go in 2020 got to be the smoking. You know what I'm saying? I'm tired of smoking. This shit is killing my goddamn throat. They wake up. So that's got to go out the door. I don't even know why I smoke. It's stupid. But another thing a nigga letting go in 2020 is lack of hustle. So y'all gonna be getting more vlogs with more news and more excitement, more bangers. Bangers, dog. You know what I'm saying? Catch the vibe. Let's get it.
Yo, man, Drummer Chevy Heaven. About to start my own channel. Instagram, you can follow me on the same word, Drummer Chevy Heaven.
Yeah.
Got 2 projects going. You're gonna find out 2020 and gonna be right and get good. Yeah, buddy.
You heard it, man. 2020 still on. So we gonna link up with a few more people, get y'all some more content, you feel me? Because, you know, I'm telling you, the grind is here, the hustle's here, and we ain't stopping. It's up since last year, so we gotta keep going up. We can't go down in 2020, because that would make no sense. So we gotta go up in 2020 to make everything completely right. Do you understand what I'm saying, my friends? Do you understand me, friends? Are you out there? If you are out there, leave a comment below so I know that you are watching. So I know to shout you out. So I know whenever we make it to 1,000 mark, you may win a prize. You may get a give out, a free gift. Just comment below and hit the thumbs up and share. Tell a friend. Don't be scared to tell a friend. Yeah, my friend here started a YouTube. You should subscribe to his channel. I think it'd be awesome for you guys to do so. You don't understand what I'm saying? Okay, I appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it, grow. All right, everybody in the winning squad. I'm back out of the shower. You know what I'm saying? You can check the whole drip attire if you want to. I got the beanie in the house, same color as the shoes. You know, just a little something light. Just a little something light, you know what I'm saying? Not a whole lot going on right now, as you know, a lot be going like that lately. But, you know, I'm just saying, just check it out real quick. One more time. But anyways, yeah. Like I said, it's not all about that. But all I need y'all to do is go and subscribe for your ball, man. It's Weebrewinning, man. You know what I'm saying? Pull up for what, man? Bigger and better things coming, man. I've been telling y'all this, and I've been knowing this and feeling this vibe, man. Since I started putting my faith where it belongs, man. And not in nobody's hand. You know what I'm saying? I put it in God's hand, man. You know what I'm saying? But Happy New Year's to everybody in the winning squad. You know what I'm saying? Get your shine on, do your thing, and we gonna see you in a little while. So you know what it is. Yes, I need the 20s and 5s. I need the pennies and nickels and everything, quarters and all. I need to win. Let's go get it. You know what I'm saying? Currently working on my intro. Coming soon for y'all.
Never stop. I found myself in the phantom. I always hear myself more than I can handle. R.I.P. Nipsey hustle like a candle. R.I.P. Nipsey hustle like a candle. All on my side, no one knows.
Yeah, Organic 15, man. Use that, man. God damn it. Yo got flame. Perfect. There you are.
I'ma keep it organic, yeah. From the seed to the root, the tree to the fruit. I'ma keep it organic, yeah. We'll never stop. I found myself in the phantom. I always hear myself more than I can handle. R.I.P. Nipsey hustle like a candle. R.I.P. Nipsey hustle like a candle. All on my side, no one else.
See, God, this is why I mess with Mr. Organic and Talk God Tough. Mr. Organic, for one, he's like super 100 organic with like everybody who really fucks with him. I tagged him on Instagram. This is not even my first time. I can pull up the other one, but I mean, enough is enough to show. But Mr. Organic shot me out on his channel and everything, guys. I'm like, you know, this is a real YouTuber, like not just a YouTuber, but actually a human being, a person. You know what I'm saying? Never let really everything get to him, his head like that. You feel what I'm saying? His living status, you know what I'm saying? They got other people with the same type of mentality as him, you know? I mean, I have what he has at this moment, but we'll receive it when in due time. You know what I'm saying? But you gotta have that mind state, like he said. Gotta have that $1 million mind state, $1 million mind plan, and everything, like just to be around him. Like, why wouldn't he not? You know what I'm saying? You gotta surround yourself with people like that, or even think like people. Surround yourself with people that even think like that. You know what I'm saying? Because if you don't, I mean, you basically gonna be satisfied with surrounding yourself with bottom feeders, catfish, crabs, and everything at the bottom of the sea. And you don't want to be that. We on land, and the last time I checked, an animal of the land that ruled pretty much the jungle was the lion. You know what I'm saying? I'm August, so I'm a Leo. I'm a lion, you know what I'm saying? But last time I checked, that was it. And the sea, last time I checked, we ran the sea with like the sharks. You know what I'm saying? and the whales and the dolphins and all of that. We don't want to be a bottom feeder. You know what I'm saying? Like a peasant. That's not where we at with it. But shout out to Mr. Organic, man. I appreciate you for being real, bro. That's it. That's all. Keeping it pure. Keeping it 100. Keeping it top of the movie legendary type shit. Yeah. I'm rhyming from today. You know what I'm saying?
Guys, that's it for this video. I'll see y'all soon on an update. Don't forget that I'm continually working, constantly, always making new content. Also, I have a new video. Let me know in the comments below. Comment below if you want to see me play PUBG. I already made the video, edited it out, but I just wasn't sure if it would have been great content for you guys to be in tune to, if y'all would have liked it or not. Just let me know if you would like to see me watch and play PUBG. You know what I'm saying? With all that being said, if you play PUBG, comment your name below and I'll add you and we can play a couple of games together. And I'll post it up or whatever. But that's it for this video, guys, man. Appreciate everybody in 2019 who supported me. And I appreciate everybody in 2020 who is still supporting me, guys. I appreciate that. And I want everybody to have a wonderful New Year's and continue to grow throughout life. As you know what I'm saying, we got another year on our belt. If you're blessed to be alive, be happy about that. Give thanks to God. And man, keep him on your side and he'll be on your side regardless. You know what I'm saying? Keep your faith right. You know what I'm saying? Intro coming soon. See y'all. Weebrewinning. Yeah. I'm out. Fuck with y'all.